Hey, tonight we're here at Brinkmann's Hardware. We'll be working all night on all the Brinkmann stores all over Long Island, getting them cleaned and disinfected so that they're safe for you to come in and shop. Start the fogging process. And even though the chemicals we use are non-toxic and safe for pets and plants, it's not safe to breathe it in while we're spraying. So we're going to use state-of-the-art protective gear to keep ourselves safe while we're spraying the chemical. So once we broadcast the chemical into the air, it'll kill all airborne viruses and germs, and it'll settle on all surfaces, leaving a disinfectant barrier so that when you touch it, you don't run the risk of infecting a product or an item that's in the store.
Hank Brinkmann from Brinkmann's. Just want to thank the folks at CGI for coming out and disinfecting our stores, keeping us safe. These are some unsettling times, but it's given us a lot more confidence knowing that they've been through the store and disinfected at a deep level to keep us safe. So thanks guys at CGI.
So once we've treated an entire area, it takes about an hour or two for everything to dry and settle down, and then it's perfectly safe to breathe the air and touch any of the surfaces that we've treated. And now you can rest assured that anything you touch will not be infected with any germs or virus.